Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again, out of Dallas, Texas. And I would like to welcome you to my video. And before we get started, why don't you click that subscribe button down below and you will see the next video that I record after I record it. And my videos are about marketing online, marketing tools, and business opportunities. And what you're looking at here is a capture page that I just created about a business that I'm involved with called TextBot Ai. And with this business, you can contact me if you join up. We can set you up with a way that you can make capture pages like this one. But this one is going to lead you over to a video that will teach you or show you how you can make $100 days, over $100 a day. So with that said, all you have to do is call this number right here, and you can listen to a video that I promote, and he would tell you you won't listen to a video, but you will listen to a telephone voicemail that's promoting uh, TextBot AI, and this telephone number, is representing me as the sponsor. And once you join up with this business to make $100 days, you will get a number, your personal number as well. With this number, you can advertise it through the internet. You can even buy drop cards that you can put it on the inside the drop cards, like those $100 bills, $5 bills you see folded. And it's on the ground. People thinking they picking up money, but they picking up a business opportunity once they call your number. And once they call it, where's my phone? I thought I had my phone here near. I was going to call that number so you can listen to the call. I'm going to call a number, and I would like for you to listen how it would go. And this will be promoting your business once you get a number as well. Okay, 573-401-3948. And then I'm going to dial a number. This is all about marketing online. I don't know if you can see that number or not.
There, I'm Ava, your soon-to-be artificially intelligent virtual assistant. I'm here to help you tap into the power and profitability of text message marketing while paying you over $100 over and over simply by connecting others to me. Press 1 to give me permission to send you automated text messages, and I'll show you how to get your own unique phone number just like the one you're calling right now, which you will use to easily connect others to me. My technology has paid over $1 million and has helped generate over 500,000 text messaging leads for those who are simply sharing a phone number and putting me to work for them.
So that's it. Once you call that number and listen to the young lady promoting TextBot AI, you can press 1 and then you can receive information on how to get started. But if you don't want to call the number, all you have to do is put your email address and your first name and email address in here, and you will start seeing a video that will teach you. Let's do that right now. I'm going to put in Marlon Carter. And when people put in their information, just say, for instance, you join up with me, I'm going to give you a tool for free to show you how to make these capture pages. Now I'm going to put an email address in there. We'll just put this one right here and click take the tool, take the free tool, and it's going to lead you over to my TextBot and a video on how to get started.
Hey, I'm Jeff, and I'm going to tell you how to have $100 or more sent to you every single day, straight to PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin.
And that's it. If you're ready to get started, just click on here Get the link, preview the page. If you're ready to get started, just put your information in, watch the video, and it will lead you into getting started with me in TextBot AI. And once you get started, just let me know when you have paid your money. Just give me a call and just uh, just let me know you're ready to go, and I'll send you this the way to create your own pages like this one through the marketing system that I use. You get a 14 free day 14-day free trial to start building your own uh, websites, capture pages like this one. Now, my name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a wonderful day or night. At the bottom of this video, you will find a link to come to this page and you put in your information. All right. Bye bye now.